Everybody's alright so far. Just a little snowy. Everybody's staying warm. Sorta. Horses. Miserable, isn't it? I gotta walk back up to the house. Yeah, I see ya. Yeah, I know. Get rid of that snow. You gotta be warm enough underneath that. Poor babies. They must have ate. There's hay outside the door for them, so they don't have too far to go. Thermal water tanks here. Got water. Miserable. I'm gonna scoop some of that snow out of here so I got more places to stand. Yeah, I'll help you out a little bit here. Oh, boys, girls. Oh, nice.